Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer from the YouTube channel Video Creators, where we are all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. And I am here at VidCon today to give you 3 quick tips that will help you grow your channel. Tip number 1 is to make sure you pay attention to your traffic sources. I like seeing where people are coming from to find my videos, and I want to know where is my most valuable viewer coming from. And so if it's coming from suggested, I want to know which videos are suggesting traffic, sending people to my videos so I can get better ideas of maybe other types of content that my audience might be interested in. The second thing I pay attention to is real-time analytics, because I want to see if an older video on my channel starts to pop and really starts to get momentum. I want to be able to quickly make a part 2 or a follow-up to that video so that the new people who are finding my channel on that older video have a next natural video that they want to watch to further increase watch time and the viewing session on my channel and really get them pulled into what my content's all about. The third thing I really pay attention to in my analytics is the graph that goes from impressions to click-through rate to watch time. And that what helps me understand is if there's a decent amount of impressions and click-throughs, but the watch time's really low, then I think, okay, maybe my title and thumbnail are not setting an accurate representation and not pitching this of what my content's about. So maybe I can make a more accurate title and thumbnail that sets more accurate expectations so that when they click and watch, they actually stay and watch the full video. If you want more amazing tips on how to grow your channel, subscribe right here to the YouTube Creators channel. Also, you can check out my channel at youtube.com/videocreators for more tips and advice and ideas as well. See you there.